Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this time our topic is how to divide fraction. So please stay tuned as I bring you the step-by-step process on how to divide fraction. Okay, so we have steps in dividing the fraction. Okay, so step 1, keep the first fraction as is. Next, step 2, change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Then step 3, switch the position of the numerator and the denominator in the second fraction. Okay, so let us apply the steps in dividing the fraction on this practice problem. Okay, so step 1, we will just keep the first fraction as is. So this is 2/3. Then change the sign. Instead of the division, it becomes now the multiplication. Then switch the numerator and the denominator in the second fraction. So this becomes now 5/4. So let us proceed to the multiplication. We can now multiply 2 times 5, that is 10. Then 3 times 4, that is 12. So we can reduce this to lowest term by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, it's divisible by 2. Okay, so 10 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, so as simple as that. So next problem, just copy the first fraction, 3/7. Then change the sign. So instead of division, it is now multiplication. Then switch the numerator and the denominator in the second fraction. So it is understood that this 2 has a denominator of 1. So our numerator in the second fraction is 1. And the denominator is 2. Then multiply the numerator. So 3 times 1, that is 3. Then 7 times 2, that is 14. Okay? So as simple as that. Okay, so for this problem, you can pause this video and try to solve, and then compare your solutions with my solution as I proceed in solving this problem. Okay, so let us continue. So again, we will just copy the first fraction as is. So 1/4. Then let us change the sign. Instead of division, it becomes now the multiplication. Then switch the numerator and the denominator and fraction. It becomes now 4/1. Okay, then multiply the numerator. So 1 times 4, that is 4. In the denominator, let us also multiply 4 times 1, that is 4. Okay. Next, 4 divided by 4, that is 1. Okay? So I hope we have the same answer. Okay, so next problem. So copy 1/2, then change the sign. Instead of division, it is a multiplication. Then switch the numerator and the denominator in the second fraction. It becomes 6/1. Then multiply 1 times 1, that is 6. Then 2 times 1, that is 2. Then 2, ayusin natin. Then 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Okay? So I hope we have also the same answer. Okay, so I hope you learned this video presentation. Until next video, thank you for watching.